Tiria mbere ria kere ona kana ria gatatu a Kenya gukorwo magikae iguru rigie kuongererwo marihi ma thitima mwaru na muigana wa uria mahuthirite kwa ihinda na hakuhi o muthenya gutigaga raini ndaya cia a Kenya wabici-ini cia KPLC gutetia marihi maya. Mweri wa 11 mwaka muthiru kambuni ya KPLC ni yamukirire muhuhu wa gutuika kuri na andu kiumbe marenderie muingi tokens na magendo na thutha wa uthuthuria kwambikwo makiria ma tokens mirioni 35 ikionekana ni nyagirio muingi ki magendo.
The Director of Criminal Investigation got involved in February 2019, and we as a company fully cooperated with DCI because we felt that they are the competent agency that could be able to see that we can be able to determine criminal culpability.
Mbere ya kamiti ya bunge ya Senate igi hinya wa kuthika murugamiriri munene wa ihinda wa KPLC Jared Othieno augite token ici tikoretwo ikendio kuhitukira kambuni ino na kana aria magiritanitio nayo gukirikana kirigota giki no kigithiurukirio rihu wa thitima kuri a Kenya ingi.
We want every Kenyan, regardless of your status, to be able to access electricity. What I've heard is that they are given prorated lower monthly payments over a long period of time.
Hidio iyo KPLC niihithuritie ati mubango wa gutambiria a Kenya thitima cia raithi na muigana wa ciringi 15,000 ni ugumirwo ni wara uyu a Kenya amwe makiriha mathiri mao kuhitukira mubango uyu.
We've also gone out of our way to inform our customers that they cannot be able to get tokens out of the official channels.
Thutha wa uthuthuria wa kinyi wegi wa roria ukoretwo gwikungirio marihi ma thitima maabitha 13 ni manyititwo namo magatigithio wira na uthuthuria uyu no urathi na mbere moko-ini mwa wabici ya ucirithania wa ngero cia wikinae DCI. Gitango kigi marihi ma thitima ni murigo mokoretwo kigomera a Kenya aingi riri gicunje kinene gikoratwo gikora gikiriha mbia nyingi ukira hinya wa thitima uria makoretwo makihuthira ciuria thiini wa kamiti ya bunge ya Senate igitanyo kurehe kihonia gia thina uyu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma guku muci munene wa Nairobi. Ritwa riakwa ni Julius Kareithi wa Munene.